Hello and welcome, lovely yogis. I'm Lina and welcome to Happy Body Yoga class. Today's practice is all about feeling great and inspired. So let's dive in and get started. So come standing on the top of your mat and widen your legs. You bring one foot in front and the other foot slightly slanted and straightening your arms. Stretch, 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 and then breathing in. And stretching up, breathing out, hands coming down, breathing in, hands coming up, breathing out, hands coming down, breathe in, looking at your hands in the air if you can, breathing out, coming down, stretch, 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 and then straighten your front leg, bringing your legs in front. Now we're going to do the other side. Straight, 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 straight. Now, while you're in this pose, think of a word that you would like your day to go. I'm going to think of love. I love teaching yoga. I love practicing it too. So stretch, stretch, stretch. Think of your word. Now breathing in, hands coming up. Breathing out, hands coming down, coming into a lunge. Breathing in, hands up, maybe looking at your hands in the sky. Breathing out, looking down. Breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, looking down. Stretch, 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 stretch. And then relax. We're now going to come forward and we're going to do it really, really slowly, stretching the back of our bodies, waking it up if it's the first thing in the morning for you. So we're going to stretch up. Push your tailbone down so you're protecting your back and your core and making it really, really strong. And then just coming down slowly. And you're being slow like a snail. Breathing deeply, allowing your breath to just come down all the way to your belly. Now you might want to do yes and no with your head. Just moving it. You might want to clasp your hands to your elbows and just hang, feeling a beautiful stretch on the back of your body. Just breathing deeply. And then putting your hands on the floor, maybe you can bring them at the side or in the front, and just coming down onto all fours. And we're going to just stretch our spine here. So breathing in and looking up, feeling a lovely arch on your spine, and breathing out as you come down, you're curving your spine like a cat waking up in the morning. And just breathing in and looking up. Breathe deeply, allowing your breath to go all the way to your belly. It's just nourishing your organs, your skin, your mind, your whole body. Energizing as well. Breathing in as you look up. And breathing out as you look down. And then just coming back on your feet. Maybe you can widen your legs if you want, or you can bring them together. And then you're just going to come forward, relaxing into the pose, breathing deeply. Breathe. Oxygen is free, so you might as well breathe deeply. And while you're in this pose and you've got a moment, just think of that word, that one word on how you would like to feel. How would you like your day to go? My word's love. Let me know what your word is. And just stretching and pausing just for a minute while you feel this wonderful stretch, and then coming back onto all fours and just moving your hips this time from side to side, just side to side. Maybe breathing deeply as you move one way and then breathing out as you come the other way. And this time we're just going to stretch to one side. Just choose whatever side that works for you. And then you're just going to feel a beautiful stretch on the opposite direction that you're moving. And it's feeling really, really nice. Go at your own pace. Honor your body. Just feel a beautiful stretch on the side of your body. As long as you feel a stretch, that's what it's meant to be doing. And just here for a couple more deep breaths. And then back on all fours. And this time we're going to rotate our hips one way, breathing in as you come forward. Just opening up the hips one way and then the other way, breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. And then coming back. This time we're going to do the other side. So breathing in, stretching up, pushing your tailbone down, and then just sliding in the other direction. And just relaxing, feeling a beautiful stretch on your side. And just taking a few moments to breathe deeply. And now while you're here, remember your word. What's your one word that you're thinking of? And then just coming up slowly. And then just coming to seated. And just taking a moment to close your eyes. And just thinking of somebody or something that you love. And just feeling that for yourself. Maybe bringing one hand to your heart and one hand to your belly. And just feeling that love for yourself. And sending that love to your toes, to your feet. And allowing that love to come up to your shins and your calves. Coming up to your thighs and then your belly and your chest. To your whole back. To your neck and your throat. Then to your face. Your eyes, your ears, your mouth, your nose. And just allowing that love to expand. And just feeling that in your whole being. And just feeling that for yourself. And then just relaxing your hands. Gently opening your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed the practice, subscribe so I can continue making free yoga videos and share with anybody that you think will benefit. I look forward to practicing with you again, and until next time, namaste.